walk around and check everything out, do a garden update. Walk across the front yard to get to the garden. We had a lot of rain and some storms yesterday morning. Then it cleared up. We had high winds yesterday. But I think everything turned out all right. Let's see what we've got. Lettuce is recovered from the deer. They haven't been attacking it that I know of. There's many other things they can get. Yep, lettuce is doing good over there as well. I put down some more of our fabric here and planted some, these are crimson sweet watermelons. We'll plant some more sugar babies and some cantaloupes. The wind disturbed this a little bit, but it's not too bad. The corn is doing good here, and our watermelons are doing good right over here. Those are Jubilees. They're doing good. We've got cardboard down, just holding down some areas where the thinner fabric that I did get at the dollar store, it needs mulch on it. So these are watermelons here, and they're doing fairly good. We got more sweet corn there. And Darlene did a wonderful job weeding all of this. This is our center area. The pollinators. Lots of butterflies and bees and everything comes up. This entire quadrant down here right now, I know you see a lot of grass, but soon the sunflowers will be a lot taller. They're growing well out there. Those are for the chickens. And this is a yellow Dent field corn that I'm growing for the chickens as well. All of my corn will be coming from the smaller plots, the sweeter corn, or sweet corn. We'll be planting some other things in this quadrant right here soon. Right now it's a mud pit. I have cucumbers going all the way down through there. And we've got stringless blue lake green beans growing all the way down through there, and they are just growing everywhere. They're all over. We got okra just transplanted this weekend right here. Again, all of this is through the plastic. I'll be able to till this area in between and keep the weeds down there. Tomatoes are doing awesome. Peppers are doing great. Onions are doing good down through there. Let's take a walk right down the middle of it. We got bell peppers, tomatoes, huge stalks on these tomatoes here. They are unbelievable. Johnny, if you're watching, these are the ones you and I planted right here, and they are huge now. And boy, this bean is happy. I cut this hole for a tomato, and the bean popped out, and you can see it is definitely making the best of things right now. Plenty of tomatoes, peppers, all kinds of things down through here. Again, we're not going to be fighting the weeds as much this year. If you'd like information about this fabric, I did one that's about a 4-ounce material, and I'll be able to reuse this. Squash are doing good after the rain. I got to get out here and put my diatomaceous earth down so that I'm not getting the squash bugs. But the squash is huge over here. I'm going to try to hold this up so you can see how big those leaves are. They're really doing good. Got a lot of little squash. I could actually pick a little squash, several of the smaller squash this weekend. Let's see, they're all doing good. The chickens are letting us know they're here. There's more beans over there. I've got sweet potatoes in those fabric grow bags. Let's see. There's a marigold. We'll see if it'll help keep some bugs away. Little baby marigold. These are early girls. We'll have some tomatoes off of them soon. They are doing great. These little clips are awesome that I've been using here. I can move them around. They're easy to unclip and move. Just really awesome and cheap on Amazon. I'll make sure you see a link on those in the description as well. Remember, anything you buy, if you click on any of the links we provide, we will receive a small commission, but that helps support our channel. It helps us get Jack more apples. It helps us everything. So please use those links when you can. Your price stays the same. As a matter of fact, lots of times we get you better prices. So please use those links. Lots of tomatoes. And let's see, again, that is okra all the way down there for 90 feet. That is okra, and you can see the beans are really doing well there. Let's go check out some other stuff. First, we'll take a quick glance at the sweet potatoes. These are Beauregard sweet potatoes that I have planted in the bags. They're doing great. Cucumbers are doing great. So we'll be right back. Let's check on something else. Now, as the season progresses, I transplant and put more things out. Try to plant several, every 3 weeks, do some new things. And then I'll have some delayed harvests that aren't all at the same time. So I've got tomatoes here started in cups. These were all started from seed. I've got more okra going on down there as well. These little tomatoes I found growing in the garden from last year, and I transplanted them yesterday just to some little pots, and they're going to do good. We have more types of squash going on up here, and more sugar baby watermelons that are going to go out there. Let's see. I have a little unidentified pepper plant. We'll figure out what it is later. We have some pumpkins. We have cantaloupe and more squash going on over here. Those will all be going out later as well. Let's check something else out. All right, we've got plenty of carrots going on in the cloth grow bags. These bags are awesome. I really like them. I can move them around, get more sun, less sun, more water, less water, all of that. Again, more carrots and onions. I've got lettuce going on in those bags. Idaho potatoes going on in that bag. And I pick this almost down to nothing every week, the kale, and saute it, do different things with it. It's great in the oils from the rendered bacon grease and things like that. But cook it with onions. But I've got that, and I've got 2 younger batches going right there. That stuff comes right back. The more you pick it, the more it comes back. Got lots of peppers going on up here. The peppers like the hotter weather, and we're waiting on those to go out. And let's go check out the elephant garlic. It's getting close to harvest. Okay, this tire is full of onions and weeds, and we've got our elephant garlic in this area is doing well and coming close to time to just fall over and us pull up and dry. So that one's getting close. We'll transplant some other things over into this area. There will not be enough room for elephant garlic in here next year. We'll do that in a different area total altogether, but this will be harvested soon and dried, and then we will plant it again. Check out our video on how to make some serious money growing elephant garlic. This will be multiplied times 5. It's about 75 stalks of elephant garlic, or bulbs of elephant garlic, and get about 5 cloves per bulb. So we'll replant those and have more for next year. So there you go, just an idea. I'll make sure I include a link on that video as well. How to make money with elephant garlic. And the chickens are all doing well. It's a beautiful day out there. We'll take one quick walk right over here and look at our carrots and beans. And I'm gonna use that kayak and go catch some fish this week. Let's see what we've got right here. We got rainbow mix carrots, and we got our regular orange long carrots, and lots of beans growing. They are really doing well. I used half a cattle panel on each side on this and just put them down behind. Again, these planters were made with old shutters that came off the house, and they're doing good. Chickens are laying eggs. Everybody's doing good here. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We will see you soon. Tennessee Farm out.